Baking and decorating Christmas cookies. A sweet celebration. Few activities capture the spirit of the holidays like baking Christmas cookies. From sugar cookies shaped like reindeer to gingerbread men adorned with icing, this tradition is a treat for both the taste buds and the heart. Baking together brings the family into the kitchen, where the warmth of the oven is matched only by the warmth of shared laughter. Cookie decorating is where creativity shines. Lay out a variety of icings, sprinkles, and edible decorations, and let everyone create their edible masterpieces. It's not just about the final product but the stories and smiles shared along the way. Imagine the fun of seeing who can make the most festive or unique cookie in the bunch. Consider hosting a cookie swap with friends or neighbors. Each family bakes a batch of their favorite cookies to exchange, creating a platter of diverse treats to enjoy. This is a wonderful way to spread the joy of the season and sample flavors from different traditions. The scent of freshly baked cookies filling the air is a sensory reminder of Christmas joy. This tradition is a recipe for happiness, blending family bonding with the simple pleasure of a homemade treat.